How to cash out stocks on Cash App. A step-by-step guide. First, you will need to open up Cash App, so just launch Cash App on your phone. The next step will be going into the Investing tab. On the home screen, you will tap the investing icon, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a small graph or stock chart. The third step will be selecting your stock. Under the My Portfolio section, you will see a list of the stocks you own. You will tap on the stock you want to sell. Sell the stock. After selecting the stock, you will tap Sell. Choose how much of the stock you want to sell. You can sell a portion or the full amount. Confirm the sale. After choosing the amount, you will review the details of the sale and then tap Confirm to complete the transaction. Receive your money. The funds from your stock sale will be added to your Cash App balance. You can then transfer it to your bank account or use it within Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.